Hi everyone. So today we're working on an 11 by 14 oval canvas, and we're going to be working with some milk paint. We're going to definitely have a cloud effect for sure. If you're interested in learning how to mix milk paint for the cloud effect, check out video 416. There are different brands of milk paint, and I'm not sure how the other ones work. I've only tried this one, so that's all I can really tell you about as far as milk paint goes. I know there are companies that make milk paint, and I'm sure if you mix it the same way, you may get the same effects, but I have not tried it yet. So for everybody that's sending me emails and telling me about milk paint, I will get some at some point, and I will try it out on the channel here, and we'll see how it works. Okay, so I definitely want to ring this instead of just like dirty pour it, because I get a better effect with the cloud if I do a ring pour. However, most of my paints have silicone in them, so we will get some cells. So for this canvas, we don't want to use a ton of paint, but we want to use enough to stretch, and the more you stretch, the better the cloud effect is. So keep that in mind as well when you're picking out colors. And be careful what colors you put next to this, because if you put a phthalo blue or a phthalo green next to this, you are definitely going to get a cloud effect. Those two colors just explode with this. So what I'm going to do is put a metallic next to it and see if I can control that cloud effect so it doesn't like blow up. So we're going to be using my new color, the Ocean Teal Blue. This does not have silicone in it. And I think I'll also put the purple raspberry in there. And then for my metallics, I'm going to go with, I think I'll go with my Gold Rush. I have enough here. And also I want another metallic, so I think what I'll go with will be, let's try our Icy Arctic Teal. This is a discontinued color. I do still have it available in the jars if you want to buy it, and the jars are $6.50 for the discontinueds. Otherwise, they're $8.50. All right, so let's put just a touch here. And then, like I said, I want to follow it with a metallic. So I'm going to put the gold in there, because I don't think it will bleed into the metallic as much as it will bleed into a color. There's more mica in the metallic. So let's see what happens. All right. So then we'll go with the Ocean Teal. And you don't need a lot of cloud paint, you just need a little bit. We'll go with the purple raspberry. Love these two colors. We'll go back with some gold. I am going to touch it with the white, and when I say touch it, I mean touch it. And then back with the gold again to encase that. And then we'll go with the Icy Arctic Teal. We are coming out with a color that's similar to this for our summer line. So don't worry, we are going to have another teal. And of course we have this teal for spring. Alright, so let's be first color out. Let's let it be gold, since I need to fill that bottle. Alright, I think I have enough paint here. I got about 6-7 ounces, so. And we're going to ring pour. So when you start seeing a bunch of white come out, just tell yourself that's going to take over and stop, because it will take over. See how it's already clouding in the cup? So you want to be very careful. So I know I have enough paint if I really want to stretch. Let me get these out of the way here. I always make a mess. Okay, I'm going to pop some air bubbles, and you know I do have silicone, so I've got cells. I did not put a base coat down, because you definitely, if you use enough paint, you don't have to with a cloud pour, because it's all about the stretch. As you can see, it's really taking over in the middle. So what I'm going to do is hurry up and get these edges. Because I love this here. And once I get it over these edges, we are going to stretch it all the way back. And I'm going to come this way. Because it will take over. I'm bringing it, stretching it as far as I can to get some of that white off. And I'm keeping an eye on my cells, because when you stretch your cells out like that, you have to bring them back to get them so they're not wonky. Alright, so, not quite over the edge here, but I can get that. Let's let it set for 10 minutes, because we know what's going to happen. We do have white mixed in, so I'm really hoping the gold will control that. And we do have color coming up through here. Let me give it a quick torch. Alright, let's let it set 10 minutes and we'll see what happens. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. So I did get some more cells coming up through here, and I think they're still coming. It's been just about 10 minutes, and these just started popping up. But I do know I'm not balanced there, so I'm going to shift this a little bit this way. And see if I can get that edge. It really just does not want to go there for some reason. So I'm hoping with stretching that out as well, we will get, let me see if I can help it over. And I'll bring it back. See, I didn't get those edges. Can you see them? Alright. I have plenty of paint here on my pad to help it over. And I'm going to probably end up touching this up with some pinks and some blues. Okay. I just want to shift it just a little. But I'm getting some great stuff going on in there. So we'll see what happens when it dries. But I'm liking it. I'm liking that the color is coming up, and of course those are going to dry a little bit darker. It's very plain here, but I kind of like that. We can always put an embellishment there when it dries. You know, because I have that Cricut and haven't opened it yet. I did open it, but I also got the desktop one, so that is what I'm going to be playing with this week. I have some projects that I have to get finished. So, alright, so I'm going to leave it right there, guys, because I think I can see it, that they're going to come up through a little bit more. They just are being a little stubborn. So, subscribe if you haven't already. Click on that bell. Make sure you're on all. Click like, share, leave a comment. Join us on Facebook. Our group is the Pourage Posse with Christina Welch. Just have to be a subscriber to join, answer the questions. Also check out my Facebook page, Christina Welch Art, and my Etsy shop. Shop with me on Amazon for all your paint pouring supplies. And check out all the other links. We have Teespring and Redbubble, blah, blah, blah. All that stuff is down there. No reason for me to talk about all of it. But take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye now.